Hello, I wanted to do something a little different with this video. Usually I focus on one area, but this time I thought since I love piers so much, why not start a project to take a trip up the coast pier by pier? The furthest south I've been with my drone is Oceanside, so that's where we're going to start. I've also made music videos for each of these piers, so check the description for links. If you find a pier you love, you'll probably find extra videos to enjoy also. Let's get started. This is Oceanside Pier, the longest wooden pier in California, almost 2,000 feet long. The first version of this pier was built back in the 1800s, and from what I can find online, it's been rebuilt about 6 times. And we're not done yet. I'll get to that part in a minute. The current version of the pier was built in the 1980s, and it's still looking great. When you're out on the pier, you'll see all kinds of interesting people: fishermen, families, couples, and some just enjoying a day alone. And, perhaps, a person flying his drone over the pier so he can later make a YouTube video with it. You might even spot dolphins swimming by, and on a clear day, you can sometimes see all the way to Catalina Island. At the end of the pier, you used to find Ruby's Diner, a beloved spot for over 30 years, but it permanently closed in 2021. Later, a seafood takeaway called the Brine Box opened in part of what used to be Ruby's space. But sadly, in 2024, a fire destroyed the entire end of the pier. The section that held Ruby's was completely lost. The good news? Most of the pier is still standing and in use while they plan how to rebuild what was lost. The footage we're watching here is from around Thanksgiving of 2023, before the fire. So Ruby's is still there in these shots and standing proud at the end of the pier. There's a lot to explore around the Oceanside Pier too, so if you're visiting, make a full day of it. Here are just a few of the things nearby. The California Surf Museum, all about surfboards, waves, and surfing legends. The Oceanside Museum of Art, showcasing a wide range of local artists. Oceanside Harbor Village, with shops, restaurants, and boat tours. On Thursdays, check out the Sunset Market and the Strand Farmers Market. And you might even catch a small concert at the Junior Sioux Amphitheater. Even though these spots are a short walk or a drive away, they add to the vibe of the area. Oceanside is the kind of place that sticks with you. After I posted my original Oceanside video, a lot of my friends told me it was their favorite beach. But for now, even though there's so much more I could say, it's time to move on. We're heading 23 miles north to take a look at San Clemente Pier. If you've enjoyed this video and want to keep heading up the coast with me, hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more to see, and I'd love to have you along for the ride with me. But most importantly, keep enjoying life.